Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about how bankruptcy impacts a co-signer in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We've talked about this before, but when you have a co-signer on debts, remember your co-signer is not filing a bankruptcy. You are. Your liability for the debt's going to go away, but not anybody who didn't file. And of course, if they didn't file, they're going to want to make sure they're current on those debts that are co-signed because they're not in bankruptcy. And if they're not in bankruptcy and the payments are being missed, their credit's going to be wrecked. So, if you have a car loan and Uncle Louie is a co-signer with you on that and you don't want to affect Uncle Louie's credit, he'd go ballistic. There's a simple remedy for that, and that is just make sure you're current on the auto loan. As long as, whether you file a bankruptcy or not, right? As long as you're current on the loan, his credit is not negatively affected. Even if you file a bankruptcy, he's not filing a bankruptcy, you are. His credit, just because you filed the bankruptcy, is not going to negatively be affected. Now, it will be if the payments are delinquent after you file the bankruptcy, just like before you filed the bankruptcy. When the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back and move beyond this problem for good, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did, and consider hitting the subscribe button.